Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace front brakes on a Subaru Outback. Before starting, gather essential tools like a floor jack, 2 sturdy jack stands, and a lug wrench. You will also need new brake pads, rotors, and fresh brake fluid, either DOT3 or DOT4. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Work on a level, stable surface to ensure the vehicle remains secure throughout the entire process. This preparation is key for a smooth and safe brake job. Once your vehicle is safely supported, you can begin removing the old brake components. First, loosen the lug nuts, then lift the vehicle and secure it on jack stands. Next, remove the two 14mm caliper guide pin bolts. Carefully slide the caliper off and hang it securely to avoid damaging the brake hose. Then, remove the two 17mm caliper bracket bolts and finally the old brake rotor. Remember to keep track of all hardware for reassembly. Now it's time to install your new brake components. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the wheel hub surface with a wire brush to ensure proper seating. Install the new brake rotor, making sure it sits flush. Next, compress the caliper piston using a C-clamp or a dedicated piston compression tool. Install the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, along with any shims. Finally, reattach the caliper bracket, torquing the bolts to 88.5 foot-pounds, then the caliper, torquing its bolts to 19.9 foot-pounds. With the new brakes installed, it's time for the final steps. Reinstall the wheel, tightening the lug nuts to 89 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Inside the vehicle, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm to restore hydraulic pressure. Check the brake fluid reservoir and add DOT3 or DOT4 fluid if the level is low. Finally, perform a cautious test drive in a safe, open area at low speeds. Listen for any unusual noises and confirm that your new brakes are functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.